Ano ba? Parang nag-attend ng meeting?
Yan natin.
Na-inspire kung maluluwa na ako.
But anyway, can I just say po that yung pagpili po sa akin as an ambassador for Magnolia Ice Cream boiled down to the experiences and memories that I've had with the So the memories po that I had with the brand and
Parang may moment ka. Moment ko yan eh.
So parang that made the whole experience po being part of the Magnolia family worth it. And it full circle kasi parang right now po, I'm sure si Ate Juday and Yan as well. As ambassadors po for certain brands, we really chooses the brand na talagang we have a personal anecdote to it. That we can promote, that we can say good things about it without even memorizing anything from the script. I think that's the main purpose of being an ambassador. Yung meron kang masasabi na hindi put on, hindi dahil lang sa kontrata, hindi dahil sa talent fee lang. It's really the experience, and that's what Magnolia was to me when I was an ambassador for the ice cream. So maraming salamat.
Yan yung ating bagong Magnolia memory. Maraming salamat, Julian Santos.
Thank you.
Of course, Ryan Rivera, and of course, Alden Richards. Thank you so for joining.